Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the trousers. You saw how they looked like on Olya at the first fitting. We made some alterations, cut the lining, stitched the side seams with an overlocker, and stitched the darts. Today we'll show you how to steam and iron trousers before we continue working. We'll show you the right way to prepare trousers for a fitting. Natalie will help me today. Basically, this is what we're shooting these tutorials for. We want to show you how to steam and iron trousers. Natalie is ironing the creases according to the spacing seams. Don't press them too hard for a fitting. Next, we'll show you how to steam side seams and inside leg seams. Here they are. This is the side seam, and this is the inside leg seam. We'll iron them together. This is not the final ironing. We'll iron these details again. Be very attentive. When we finish ironing, we'll tack the pants again for Olya to try them on. Notice how we stretch the pants legs. This is the front detail of the leg. I want you to have a close look at this detail. The fold was pressed and the edge was stretched. I remind you that this is the inside leg seam. It will fit the body much better now. I can move this detail aside now. Next, we'll show you how to iron the back detail of the pants leg. The second pants leg will be ironed and steamed off the camera. The front and the back details match till the point where the back detail is round. Notice that there is no spacing seam on the back detail. We'll just fold it this way and iron gently. Be very, very attentive. Have a look at this part. Notice how it looks like. Don't ever iron the back crease till the very waistband. You can see that Natalie made just a couple of moves with an iron, and this part looks absolutely different. Natalie is stretching the side and the inside leg seams. The pants will fit Olya absolutely differently now. We'll show you everything. We still need to get rid of these waves. Notice what Natalie is doing now. This part should be stretched this way and then steamed. Don't stretch it too hard. The side and the inside leg seam should be stretched much. Notice how they look like when I make the crease straight. Now you can see how much we stretched the seams. What we do now is very important. This is what you should do before you start taking pens. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to make pens of a good quality. Have a look here once again. You can see that when I make these crease straight, there are folds on the side and the inside leg seams. The pens will fit the body perfectly. The same thing with the front detail. You saw how these plates fit Olya at the first fitting. It looked like the pens were crumpled here. It will fit her perfectly now. Last time we showed you how the pens fitted Olya without any special preparations. Now you know how to prepare pens for a fitting. We've showed you how to steam and iron them. Next time we'll tack the trousers, and Olya will try them on once again. I prefer to make pants of natural fabrics. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We are Irina and Natalie. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.